အခုတစ်ခါမှာတော့အင်္ဂလိပ်လိုချစ်ကြောင်းကြိုက်ကြောင်းပြောနည်းမျိုးစုံကိုလေ့လာသွားမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်
You mean the world to me.
You mean the world to me.
You mean the world to me.
I'm yours forever and always.
I'm yours forever and always.
I'm yours forever and always.
You're my everything.
You're my everything.
You're my everything.
My heart belongs to you.
My heart belongs to you.
My heart belongs to you.
I'm completely smitten with you.
I'm completely smitten with you.
I'm completely smitten with you.
You light up my life.
You light up my life.
You light up my life.
I adore you.
I adore you.
I adore you.
I'm head over heels for you.
I'm head over heels for you.
I'm head over heels for you.
You're the love of my life.
You're the love of my life.
You're the love of my life.
You make my heart skip a beat.
You make my heart skip a beat.
You make my heart skip a beat.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.